Hi guys, good evening. Myself, Nikhil Sharma. I'm the IT director for Jollibee UAE. I've been part of CIO Club since the inception, and today we are attending the Ignite 2026, which is the second edition of the event. I've been part of the club and the events from a very long time. For the event, I would really like to say that this is very meticulously imagined and planned event. Everything was on the spot from the time of beginning in the afternoon, meeting the people and coming over here and reaching the site. It's very well planned and very nicely organized. My take for this event is we get to meet the like-minded people, and also the similar people from the different industries, although everybody is from the IT, but everybody has a different story and a different experience to share. What Ignite does to us is bring everybody together, and we get to know each other as a person, and then we discuss our problems and issues which can be solved by mutual understanding and by the teamwork. And Ignite brings everybody all together under one roof, whether it is the clients like us and the vendors like Mimecast, Acronis and everybody, so that we can understand each other. We know what is the pain points, how we can solve the problems together, and make our life better. Thank you very much.